Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. Today we're going to review the independent practice for lesson 3, and I've got my fan on so it's blowing all over the place. Sorry about that. We're reviewing the independent practice for lesson 3, variable expressions. So, find the value of each of the following expressions for the given value of the variable. Show the steps in your calculation and simplify any fractions. That is very important, simplifying any fractions. But showing my work is also important. And the first step is going to be to rewrite the problem, y divided by 5, and I'm going to show the substitution, 35 divided by 5, and now I'm going to reduce that. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So I rewrote my problem, I showed my substitution, I circled my answer. N squared, n is 10. I'm going to put it in parentheses because this square means multiplication. It's the number times itself. So I have to put the number in parentheses. It's more important when it's negative, but right now just know if I'm substituting and it's multiplication, I must use parentheses. So 10 squared, 100. All right, rewrite the problem. Actually, leave it like that. There you go. Rewrite the problem. 3 times t minus 6 Bono. Look at that, and I didn't even bring any white out. I'm just going to scribble over it. I wish I didn't make so many mistakes, but 3 times t minus 6, substitute 10. Now, this is multiplication, but it already has its parenthesis. So I don't need to put another one right now. I will tell you when you need those parentheses, trust me. 3 times 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4, so 3 times 4, and my final answer is 12. Ooh, look at that. 2 steps. Order of operations. I'm going to multiply before I add. 3 halves times x plus 4. And I'm going to have 3 halves, parentheses because it's next to the letter, the variable and the number are next to each other. So 3 halves times 12 plus 4. 3 times 12 is 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. You can use your calculator, but I'm going to use my brain because I'm not so great with my calculator. I'm very good with my brain. Plus 4. My final answer is 22. Right. 20 divided by n minus 2. Substitute 17 for n. So 20 divided by 17 minus 2. 17 minus 2 is 15, so 20 divided by 15. Hey, that does not divide evenly, but I can reduce it to lowest terms. Can simplify my fraction by dividing by 5. 20 divided by 5 and 15 divided by 5 is 4/3. Now, some people want to keep going and say it's 1 1/3. That's fine too. These are equal answers. 1 1/3. But I like this one. I'm not going to tell you why just now, but that is my favorite one. Here we go. By the way, if you are taking a quiz and you have this answer and you don't reduce it, you're going to lose a point because the directions specifically say simplify any fractions. Bah humbug. But it's true, you have to simplify fractions. If the directions tell you to, you have to do it. Alrighty then, the next one. Negative 2x plus 5, negative 2 times 3 plus 5. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. The signs are different, so it's negative. Plus 5. Signs are different, so I subtract. I get 1. 6 is larger than 5, 6 is negative, so negative 1. 50 minus 4n, substitute 11. 50 minus 4, I wrote an equal sign. Ugh. 2 mistakes in one paper, so bad. 4, and next to it, when there's a number next to a variable, that's multiply, so I have to put it in parentheses. So I have 50 minus 44, and that answer is 6. T squared minus 6. T is 4, so in parentheses 4. So remember, multiplication goes in parentheses. Minus 6. 4 squared is 16. Minus 6. My answer is 10. All right. Oh, look down here at all of what's going on. That's a lot of order of operations, huh? Let's just rewrite that. 10 times x plus 5 minus 3 times x minus 2. And here x is 4. So 10 times 4 plus 5 minus 3 times 4 minus 2. All right, order of operations. Parentheses first. So 4 plus 5 is 9, so 10 times 9 minus 3, 4 minus 2 is 2. 10 times 9, 90. 3 times 2, 6. 90 minus 6, 84. There's a lot of order of operations going on here, too. 2 times x squared plus 5 times x minus 7. Remember, when you're squaring the number, it goes in parentheses. 2 times negative 2 squared plus 5 times negative 2 minus 7. Negative 2 squared is negative times negative. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. It's negative 2 times negative 2 to get positive 4. So 2 times 4 plus 5 times negative 2 minus 7. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 5 times negative 2 is negative 10 minus 7. Okay, the signs are different, so I subtract 8 minus 8, or sorry, 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 is larger, it's negative, so negative 2 minus 7. A little keep change change. Negative 2 plus negative 7. I always say keep change change, but you know I mean add the inverse. So I'm actually adding the opposite. Negative 2 plus negative 7 is negative 9. And we're finished with the independent practice for today. Have a great day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.